Welcome back to LGS Cars. Get ready to experience an extraordinary masterpiece in the automotive world, a coupe that embodies luxury, power, and futuristic technology in one perfect package. This is the 2025 Lexus LC 500, a car that's more than just a mode of transport. It's a statement of lifestyle and passion for true automotive enthusiasts. With a bolder design, a roaring V8 engine, and an interior that redefines luxury, the Lexus LC 500 2025 is set to take the world by storm. Is this the best luxury coupe of the year? Let's dive in and find out, only on LGS Cars. Striking design and aerodynamic excellence. Lexus has once again outdone itself with the 2025 LC 500, a car that seamlessly blends elegance and aggression. Sharp spindle grille with a refreshed, futuristic design, triple-beam LED headlights for an ultra-modern look, aerodynamic body lines that enhance efficiency and performance, forged 21-inch alloy wheels for a sportier and more exclusive stance, exclusive color options like ultrasonic blue mica and infrared red. With its bold yet refined design, the Lexus LC 500 2025 is a head-turner on every road. Thrilling V8 power and unmatched performance. At the heart of the 2025 Lexus LC 500 lies a beastly engine that delivers a thrilling and emotional driving experience. 5.0-liter, naturally aspirated V8, 471 horsepower and 540 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.4 seconds. 10-speed direct-shift automatic transmission for seamless gear shifts. Adaptive suspension system for the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Multiple drive modes. Comfort, Sport S, Sport S Plus, and Custom for a personalized experience. With an electrifying exhaust note and jaw-dropping acceleration, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 delivers a driving thrill like no other. A high-tech and luxurious interior step inside the Lexus LC 500 2025, and you'll be greeted by a world of premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, and ultimate comfort. 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with Lexus's latest user interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Alcantara and semi-aniline leather seats with a driver-focused ergonomic design. Mark Levinson 13-speaker premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Fully digital instrument cluster with real-time driving information. Head-up display HD for enhanced driving focus. With an interior designed to provide luxury and convenience at every touch, the Lexus LC 500 2025 sets a new benchmark for grand tours. Cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features Lexus doesn't compromise on safety, and the LC 500 2025 is packed with state-of-the-art safety systems to ensure a secure and confident driving experience. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 with semi-autonomous driving features. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Functionality lane, keeping assist and lane departure. Warning for enhanced lane discipline. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert for added security. 360-degree camera system for superior visibility while parking. With these advanced features, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 ensures both exhilarating performance and ultimate peace of mind on the road. Final verdict, is the Lexus LC 500 2025 worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a luxurious grand tour that offers jaw-dropping design, exhilarating V8 performance, and an ultra-premium interior, then the 2025 Lexus LC 500 is a dream machine that ticks all the boxes. A breathtaking exterior that commands attention, a naturally aspirated V8 that delivers a pure and powerful driving experience, a lavish, high-tech cabin for ultimate comfort, top-tier safety features to enhance driving confidence. So, is the 2025 Lexus LC 500 the ultimate luxury coupe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LGS Cars for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive updates. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on exciting content.